Hey guys, you may be wondering in the post as to why I got another Pokemon Carly. Well, if you look here, this is my old one. This is the one I got since 2022. And here's the new Carly I got today. Well, to answer your question, I got something planned for this Carly right here. So I got a new Carly to be my main Carly from that point forward. That, and I probably didn't do an unboxing video of this Carly when I first got her. So to probably make it up, I'm gonna take her out of her packaging. That's the new Carly out of the packaging. And she came in this new 2025 packaging. Here's this Carly, just about the same except with less detail. I got something planned for this Carly right here. So I'm using this one as my main Carly. Yep, just about the same. Nothing new. And here's the Carly I got back in 2022 with detail. Oh, and I painted her front buffers black. I wasn't sure if she was supposed to have yellow or black buffers, because on the motorized version, they're not painted. So I just painted those black. I'm not sure if she was supposed to have yellow buffers, but ever since I watched All Engines Go, she does. Probably a big mistake on my part. But hey, this gives me an idea on what I can use with this Carly. But yeah, that's it on the Push Along Carly previously released new in the 2025 packaging. Something like that. So I have to make this short. I just wanted to get out of the way. But don't worry, I got plenty more stuff to unbox. Sometime before or after Christmas. Either way. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the review on this newer Carly. Oh, yep, they are just about the same. But yep, that's gonna do it. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for 700 subscribers. And Well, it's not actually meant for 700 subscribers, but thank you very much anyways. And, yeah.